howtogael, tá muid gobar I bart néireacht le Eurospar, and as self-proclaimed experts in everything treat yourself, we know a good bottle of wine when we see one.
Absolutely, Darren. And just in time for the bank holiday weekend, buchas mór le dia.
Tá ceanna gom dit now, Louise. Right, I have a gorgeous French Sauvignon Blanc and so is Ir Yeshkert in the Rankia on Fian Show. It's a southwest of France wine. It's full of fruity and citrusy notes. Girl, nar hang Grianna Tanev need rud bit ni stesha vesipaler.
Gahaling. Right, next up, we're staying in France, guys. We've got a Coteau d'Aix de Provence Rosé, if you don't mind. Now, it's not just a delicious bottle and the lovely shade of pale pink. Darren, guess what?
Go on.
$15.99.
Girl, you're making money.
I'll take two.
Okay, well, ní sira buink gadi bubbles na mar Darren Shanachel. And I know you're a champagne girl, but I love sipping on the Prosecco, and this Italian Frizzante is dehasta. The only complaint that I have is it's just way too easy to drink.
Well, that's the bother with us, Darren. But listen, if you're not a drinker, maybe you've dipped the toe into the running this year, or you're the designated driver, this is one for you. No Zecco. It is a fizzy rosé, non-alcoholic. Delicious.
Well, this bank holiday, if you want to treat yourself, get into Eurospar and try one of their amazing, very, very tasty wines.
Well, tá muid beat an seo in howtogael le bheith arasharísh ag obair le fáilte Ireland. We're so thrilled to be back partnered up.
It's a dream gig for us. We've literally made a podcast a kind meowler on gráthagang den áitse, on culture, on tanga. So there really is no better match for us than fáilte Ireland. The shared grá for this place, Lou.
Chinning.
Feels so right.
Look, we're always saying it, aren't we? Sometimes you just need to get away, recharge the batteries, tog sus, and find your way back to that very best version of yourself.
Being in sale, Annach an Óhach, Maris Olding. Everybody needs that reset every now and then, whether it's a slow, chilled break, gone deafer, gone struss, or something a little bit more lively. There's nothing quite like the feeling of getting away for a few days, and Ireland is the best place to do it.
Exactly. Do you know what? For me, it's malum dul áideagan ciúin beidir, like, you know, a muid faoin air, áideagan a lár na tíre, and just really relaxing and finding myself at ease.
Whereas I like something a little bit more energetic, Louise. I like packing the car. I like heading out somewhere new, feeling like you're on top of the world, maybe out west. Beidir áideagan gig féidlum on air or a hogan to stock. A little bit of adventure. You can really park the stresses that way.
Sinead, and you know, tá rá féin a gacéine. Some people relax and find ease in the quiet. Others, they relax in the buzz.
Like a little city break. Be a mock colluder untach, maybe even a gig or a night out. Those are the kind of things where you really find yourself having the time of your life. Agus, will is go tá sé dachar buchan tar sin.
Tá ceart go agus an rud is far ná go sé go léir có éascán léir, and you can hop on in the car, you can get on a bus, on a train, and you can do it at your own rhythm.
Tá míad millte an sa an éiring bí deireanach do sun tá susbeag agus síorhear tiltte a going galéir, and those little breaks really do make all the difference.
Tá ceart go Darren agus be galore inspiraida áráin to go and live galua.
So what are you waiting for? Find yourself on a short break in Ireland. Din plan to the Hirirgar in ish discoverireland.ie. Fátarov, goodie, chlár na seachtaine, episode na seachtaine seo, lumsa Darren.
Agus lumsa Louise.
Coming to you live, Londain. We've just arrived. Sorry, we're both in the Angle of the Story shades. Love these.
Yeah. Tushi the wadnias far on the owl wallet. If you, like us, can't mind a pair of sunglasses. Sorry, Neil T's cash course.
No, yeah, they're actually all right. See, I've a BM Nishikov with prescription glasses, and Nihantas is the prescription glasses, so I feel like they tá my arach ortha. Now I bought these. I'm
a full-time lens girl. Sorry, the way you're leaning back there is very
like one of your French girls.
Yeah, that's
lads. We're full video chuma on Ostan, which is there you go.
Which is, I'll tell you what, it is the Claremont Hotel. Shout out to you, deireadh Ilor, like actually Ilor Car London. We couldn't be more central. We're just beside Victoria Station, and we're actually looking out on the roof of Victoria Station over Homer.
And now when we landed in here, we were like, this is the fucking bougiest hotel of all time. Like, you'll see it all over our Instagrams now. We'll be flat out token pictory. And then we came into our little room and and we were like, oh, they look really nice. And then up Gideon Taven than those on, and we quickly realised we were in the pauper's place. But sure, look, Gael and not laughing and they're
Shinner, Tomwood actually on a week because Tomwood and Tom were so we're being taken care of. So Gurmil to the embassy.
Department of Foreign Affairs.
The Department of Foreign Affairs. You can get us the suite the next time.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. There you go. Put it in the budget. Who's the Minister of Foreign Affairs for Láthir? I should know that. But anyway, we'll just send it. CC.
I'll send an email to Patrick O'Donovan.
I'll tell you, fucking Patrick
O'Donovan. My local councillor living on.
Come here. I had such a busy morning on Madden because Vima Irihe Galua shocked the clugs. I had to do the Gruig, Sarah Dogmer going airport. Then I had to vote Can I vote there?
Sorry, Anna
Yeah,
Chunig
yeah,
made the
can I
sticker
vote it?
actually, agus Vias
Yeah.
come running a draw, and then we were distracted.
We were distracted. We did arrived up to the airport, got on the flight, had a little glass of Prosecco. You should have Annie asked Louise paid for that now. Fair dues to you. I'll get the next round. And yeah, how bad?
How bad? No, Shullin. And we were actually delighted to land on, and we've probably gotten luckier than anyone with the weather, lads. Tá I'm sure the chreta to Londain Florida. Does she like fair hooked came Celsius? Like make it make sense.
Make it make sense.
It was like getting off the plane in Spain.
I'm annoyed I'm wearing trousers. Near Hig my Gresha. I wanted to wear in co-word Nacht, but anyway, I'm wearing trousers.
Listen, right. It's going to get colder.
It's going to get now. Come here. It's co-ragras. Hánig co-ragras isteach go on leg amach.
Go deireadh.
Going. So on Tachtan Shkata, I went on a tirade at Tuartamach Rialer bitches cancelling plans.
Yeah.
And I feel very impassioned Mialer Shaw. Hánig round co-ragras isteach Mialer Shin. If Louise can find it here.
Okay. Well, Eileen has been in touch and she says, Colleen, I couldn't agree more with you on this week's pod. Is ban imachrochadí mé agus tá an chuid is mó daoine choladránach agus leisúil am héal. I understand that sometimes you need to put yourself first and take an evening off, but not everyone is massively extroverted, etc. I get it, but the amount of people that would never leave the house if they could is absolutely terrible. COVID really changed people.
Agree.
And then I actually think bhfuil se right go mai Gailín. It's no save so síalta agus gnóthach agus caiig tú éachlachta.
Agree, Eileen, agree.
She says, oh, tá tíir se urt? Oh, tá planna got an teachtain se chuin. So what? Aire gas an talag, agus de laba, agus dain iirecht, agus tigam coma nach mála gach duine an tigtorne no vegol, no cav arigid, sa cozy lives, a cad foi siúlód le chéile, cup an té an picturlin. Tá rohan rana am, tá daoine leisciúlar sa
Eileen, agree, hard agree. I mean, we're singing off the same hymn sheet.
Well, do you know what? Haitian rant of it did get me thinking.
Yeah.
It did get me thinking, and I was like, it is very easy, I guess, to opt for the comfortable option. And COVID probably has made us think.
But in fairness, because and now you do cancel plans like a horrendous amount.
But I still do a lot.
But you still do a lot. Like you're not kneel to see Sabala 6 out of 7 nights a week. Sorry, like you should be. No.
I'd lose my
mind.
That to me now is in the same category as putting me into the poor Clares on a silent retreat. I hate. Like, I'm not great at being alone with my thoughts.
Yeah. No, well, I mean, that's another issue entirely. But look,
I couldn't be sitting down doing nothing at home. Can you imagine?
Could you imagine?
I'd be like,
well, listen, it wouldn't be us. Yeah. But I'll tell you who it would be.
Yeah.
Siobhan O'Rourke loves a sea Savannah, as often she's told us on this podcast. Yeah. So we'll revisit this topic near Beshi Hernashling. We won't speak for her. We'll let her have her say. But if we learn her, I feel like 2 out of 3 the howtogael camp are fully championing to bring back binge drinking. Unite Ireland and bring back binge drinking. Sinead won me draw.
Sorry now. You don't need to bring back binge drinking, but bring back...
My magged binge drinking.
But I think is táchtach an rud é bheith and dolamach le de chóide agus duch a bheith goibh lena chéile. Whether that duch is cup on té or a hot cacao ritual. Pay rud atá ann. It's like the ritual of... Yeah,
you socialise, yeah.
Sharing, breaking bread.
I think bread. Go on, cadela hánig.
Okay. Oh, Matthew McConaughey gate. Okay, I think I probably need to come out and apologise for saying
I'm sure he's distraught. I'm sure he's distraught. TMZ. Well, fucking Matt for road.
Yeah, Saz Matty. Shin Bather drama tool, and I have been known to dramatise. He's probably not. I suppose tiny for 5'11" is a bit dramatic, is it?
Yeah, I mean, well, we're wondering what. Yeah.
Look. Well, let me tell you, we've got some from the horse's mouth here. Okay. Pam says, well, girls, I live in Austin. So they're getting in touch from Matthew's hometown in Texas. She says, I've seen him around here and he's actually... I do this in a Texan voice.
Oh, please do, yeah. I've seen him around here.
I live in Austin and I've seen him around here and actually...
Oh my God, okay. No, that's terrible. Well, I live in Austin. And I've seen him around here.
I'm giving us ourselves the... Okay, sorry. During now thinks she's an actor because she starred in a music video.
Oh, yeah. We'll talk about that after.
But so she'll now be giving us all lessons in acting. Anyway, Pam lives in Austin. She's seen him around, and actually, she says he's tall and his wife is a model, and the two of them together are definitely 6 foot. Okay, Pam, 5'11", 5'12", 6 foot.
Well, what's a couple of inches?
We've another man in here saying tá sé beagnach sé fut go hifigúil. And then Gillian's in again saying, and this, Gillian, I need a follow-up message to please and thank you. he dated a woman from Dunshaughlin back in the day.
Spill the tea. Spill the tea.
Or where is this woman from Dunshaughlin? Can you come on as a guest?
I wouldn't know. We need to get actually. We're gonna do a bit of investigative journalism. Tá mí chun dul dteagmháil sin mansion agus féchant to féidir níos mó ólas aáil.
And that they love to drink a pint and Mrs. O's.
To be fair, the Guinness and Mrs. O's is os de. If you may Mrs. O's hala.
Do you know what I love about that though? Imagine you're like, you know, Two Truths and a Lie when you ever played that game. Imagine being able to be like, I rode Matthew McConaughey. And it was the truth.
Could you imagine? Yeah. String him on.
Wouldn't that be good?
I know.
So the woman, people of Dunshaughlin.
People of Dunshaughlin, have your say.
Be a dangval. Olivia Louise says, Toshe tiny, I'm creased. What part of the country did they say I'm creased in?
I don't know. I'm creased. I don't know. Creased. Yeah, definitely.
And then Thug Lordini are and I had to laugh at Orna leaving in Declan's commentary.
No, that was fucking gas.
He's only a schmal.
Yeah, no, that actually shouldn't have that made the video.
So anyway, Matthew.
So anyway, there you go. Matthew McConaughey. There you go, Sinead. Yeah,
the debate rages on. Rages on.
Rages on. So that's news. Since we departed by Lockley, I've become world famous. I'm part of a music video.
Oh, she's become world famous.
World famous. Cordeling, Nino Hinchy, agus Lisa Canny, Bird Girls. Lisa is the woman behind Bird, and Nino is her right hand woman. She had been an absolute lilt to the chéile, and they did a gorgeous little music video that we shot over here in London. Beidir Mio hin, seachtaine hin. P stands for Freddie, and it's a banger of a tune, isn't it?
I mean, can't wait on clip Kirstach. So is this the chéad or Ríomhphost Jane of
first time doing a music video?
Is it?
Yeah, first time doing a music video. Yeah.
Oh.
First won't be the last, huh?
Won't be the last. So yeah, because could they scale like I suppose le ain to the Cheol Hain. You wouldn't really be making a video.
No, I wouldn't be making a video of me sitting there playing a few chicks and reels.
Yeah, so was it a new musical venture for you?
A new musical venture for me. Louise slagged me my dancing.
Only because
the whole way over. No,
I owed her a slag back.
She told me it was shite.
And as we know, Lanthori of howtogael, she was owed a slag back at the dancing after slagging
your dancing was you, Louise Carlton. I was playing a character. Did you not see those blue eyeshadows and on Clig Gurum or Chama? Like I was in character.
Doing you definitely weren't acting. I'd love to say you're acting.
What are you talking about? I was acting.
I've seen her throw those shapes in a very serious.
That's how I pull a man.
That's her mating.
Yeah.
No, we shout about Gael v Svishan.
So the Kate Nash and the. Oh god, I'd have to go and look at the thing.
All of our pals,
all
of comedians.
Our pals. Sorry, yeah. Oh yeah.
What about Michael Rice? I thought he really stood out for me. Eating a slab of butter.
And Alex agus Albert and Chama, and they're great. Jeez, did you see the fucking rig out on Albert? He was the man pick me up, has the arse out, the whole lot. Amazing. No, it was actually Tá sé anna hand book, and you should go look at it. We'll leave the link in the show notes. Agus féchart Shanva. Okay. So now the question is, Agus, the Shemin Bio, will you be hauled up on the stage to do the dance live? That's a really good question. Lisa, you're gonna have to. Yeah, you're gonna have to talk to our banished door, see if you can get me in to do the live performance. Yeah. The blue eyeshadow is gonna cost. Honestly, you can. Now there's only one woman. Only Lisa Canny could get you in. Like they sold it to me, being like, you're gonna be sexy. It's going to be 80s. Like the men are being objectified. The women are, you know. But if you had suit could dance like Scott, it was like, I mean, it was. I know, but I thought I was gonna be like sexy girl kind of. Yeah. I thought I was hair and makeup, and then the blue and I was like, oh my god, please no. It wasn't too bad, but I think it was good. It was leaning, and everyone was like dramatically. Yeah. Well, 80s. Actually, except Lisa and Niamh, who looked incredible. No, well, Lisa and Niamh looked incredible. Sorry, Kate Nash looked incredible. So it was just me. No. You were cool. It was, and it probably you had to get into character. That was the character. I was acting. Oh, you're an actress. Sorry, I forgot she's an actress. I'm an actress. Here we go. So it's more true now that we can't be doing any. Because do you know what Darren really needed was another job title. Excellent. Now we have Jesus Christ, actor, singer, songwriter, perfect content creator. Yeah, the whole lot. It's all going. Well, I'm not a songwriter or a content creator, but look, I mean, content has been created now. Content has been created. Yeah, legislation's here. So, 10 minutes seachtaine, Louise. how to have a girls' weekend in London.
Woo! Probably the best kind of a weekend and the handiest one you can have if you want to go on a short nip from Ireland.
If you're in just raw, we have the perfect weekend planned, right? Amach in Londain, Madden Ina, big night out, Iha day Hina, have a gorge day in Morach, a valet and a late flight, Iha Morach, hurling on Sunday. Louise is going to Thurles, I'm going to Parnell Park. There you go.
I don't have to go as far as Thurles. I'm flying into Shannon, the Manchester Limerick.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh my
I know.
God, yeah,
Limnach. Agus kind of is coming. It's kind of inclusion. I'm going to show like tip her out anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
So I feel like we're just going to go if the weather's still good ass. When you're in Limnach, it's on as if in Ann Dulloch or brunch das.
Of course.
Queen Marian and then off to Gaelic Crowns.
I
am excited more less. But I wanted to say on the London note, Queen Lettery of the chéad trust go London.
Well, I think I chéad trust cart a gum a Londain was chuma go Londain fight ar seachtaine le mabháthir agus le mogur fuair nervy me beidir cardeag I'd say. Cardeag cuaigdeag, and it was the time that Victoria's Secrets, do you remember like pink was a huge thing? So like, and of course like I like the price of it at that time, I don't even know if I had a bob to like, I don't think your Canning May in or the pink, that was a like brand, but I got the sprays, you know, the sprays. I was fanning on the sprays. So I know.
It was such a rite of passage. Like I remember we did like a school tour.
The height of glamour.
The height of glamour, and it must have been like ní raibh on Idirvlí and a Gwyn or Skull, but like whatever.
The Narv and Idirvlí.
No, Yenna in Idirvlí and Chéad and so Yenna were on Tas Social Nervimer technically in fourth year. Isn't that bizarre?
That is bizarre.
But the Shigulair Ahra Arish, but it was kind of Shanna Rodavig and Clucher. I don't know, and they never changed it for years, so we were kind of the last of it.
Right.
I know, is that so weird? So on Chéad Vlian, we like, because I think I've told you this before, it was like an induction year where you fucking did bridge classes and like tried all the subjects and played hockey and were in the choir.
Bizarre.
Some of us.
Sorry, the fucking notions out
of that. I know, and it was the weirdest thing because we shared the school with grounds with the Larley English, and they just didn't go naughty like so.
Bizarre.
It was bizarre, but I think it was just rather the
not real.
And anyway, the Shahra and but anyways, Queenlam Nervius. I suppose it was the three of you, and anyway, we were in third year, and they took a gang of us off to London on a school tour, and like nothing would do all of the howtogaels at the time, but to fucking land onto London and go to the top shop on Oxford Circus on Oxford Street.
Oh, Top
do you remember
Shop?
that?
Yeah, I remember
the
that.
Big flagship.
Like, oh my god, it was the height of it.
That was it.
Yeah.
To buy a pair of skinny Joni jeans.
Yes.
To like get what you could out of the accessory section. Come on with all the little bits.
To try and dress like Effie from Skins.
To try and dress like Effie from Skins.
Yeah. No, Kevin, it's clean on Top Shop.
Yeah.
Do you know what? If that Top Shop was still there, I would still make it's frozen spral in the head of your father's Top Shop. I think it's great. It's just communal ASAS. I think it's really good.
Oh my god, but it used to be such a thing. Like our Queen Latina tacht go London specifically to
shop in
Top Shop.
But the thing, if you were Rosh and he's still in there, if you Rosh her and playing Tresna, we were like those times you'd buy like 2 or 3 bits from Top Shop. Do for the year.
I know.
And be your good wear. And achav. And it's more true, like, which I should know Shinamihin now.
Yeah, I know Siobhan needs to furlough it, I suppose, but maybe it is coming around. I did hear a statistic recently because I was doing a thing on the radio about being sustainable. The third most shopped website in Ireland is, any guess?
Oh, ASOS or Topshop? ASOS?
No.
Vinted.
It's actually the third most. It's something like, you'll have to correct me now, but I feel like if Rahane is like next randomly, then it's like M&S and then Vinted. So I think it's man GEALAÍ because I would imagine like most people who it was fucking really expensive to buy anything full price now anyway. So like if you're able to get it for half the price or Vinted,
100%. Jeez, go for it.
It's the way to go, but
well that was Londain Nervimer Snadega.
But also we thought West End. That was the other thing that we come over to go to the West End.
Yeah, now I was never I've been. I've just never really been a West End girl. If we Damarda Graf Shivans on a long kind to Marielle and West End. But I don't know, need any more musicals, need any more on-size brother shin mission.
But Caic to Dolan, August, just you need to see it, like it's worth it. It's kind of Rodger Caic to Janov, isn't it?
Yeah.
Caic to Janov.
Yeah, and it was few dull early or one, but really fucking spenny.
It is really expensive,
Chunish a couple about the Green National Theatre on saw in London. Man, a couple of people him for the Dancing at Lunasa and V like Tom Von Lawler, Siobhan McSweeney, like all-star Irish cast, cast, and they did a fucking unreal Dancing at Lunasa, and then V Man and me Fiara Agor the Playboy of the Western World, and that was a Nicola Coughlin, Aina Hardwick, Nadina Class Jarfat. So that's way more my street. Like
it's
proper
very like theatre.
I like theatre.
Yeah.
Whereas the West End agus musicals, not
Not a bit of you.
Not a bit.
Yeah.
So I went to see Cats, and I fell asleep.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Honestly,
after give me something now that I'm like mad for. Well, Ishka
Oh, sorry, Neil. No.
Okay, I'll survive.
Okay.
Let's get a coffee fish. Yeah. So there you go. So it wouldn't be me, but anyway, it's a bit of Shiva.
Yeah, and actually, I think it's great. I have such admiration for anyone who does musicals.
Yeah.
Anytime I've been to see anything, I'm always like in awe of the actors.
It's a total subculture.
It's such a skill.
It's such a subculture, the musical thing, and like there's all these lore, like even our Hindu Machlacor to Shiva, and there's all this lore about it, and Avron, and they all break into song. I haven't a breeze about it, but it's like it's probably like Kasula Kill Tradishunta. Except, like there's this whole community around it.
Totally. And it's great. Like, it's entertaining. It's great night out. Like, I actually have to say, I've seen Wicked, Lion King. The Lion King, I remember being blown away by the Lion King when I was in school.
Who's it? Didn't Spencer Matthews propose to vote when it was at like, sorry, like, ick. Imagine
what was he thinking?
What? I don't know.
What was he thinking?
I think he really liked the Lion King. It's bizarre.
That was bizarre. I think he's since come back to say, like, lads, would you say yes if someone fucking
absolutely not. Absolutely
unless
not.
it was maybe
if someone proposed to me over a few jigs and reels, yes, but not.
Do you know, it's like then I current Kesh in Disneyland or they can return. I suppose if you were a massive Disney, you see this happen all the time. If it's something that's really the person loves, you have to respect it.
Yeah.
But it wouldn't be
for they can really icky me out far that's like I don't know.
Cad é vas like engagements pibly in art and of I don't know Gacune like
I know
agus green graffador like this is a big thing now, people recording it, or having someone there to film it.
That it's mad that like people even when they're having wedding videos now, it's all like for Instagram and content and stuff. I just find
content creators.
I don't know. Look, whatever you're into yourself, I don't know. I think.
Do you know what I do find on that though? I will say, and it's so funny because I think I was in the early stages of the content creators, and a lovely girl called Elle at the time was starting her business. Wrote me and said, "Could I come and capture bits of your wedding?" And I'll do it, Sarah Nashka, because she was looking to get into the venue and start a few things. And I was like, absolutely do. And do you know what I said to her? I was like, don't bother with the church or any of that, you're grand. In my own head, I was like, we can't have videos and cameras and fucking content creators. Agus gap was like a noun graph, she kind of cringe. But she came anyway and did the evening, and the next day, do you know what? We spent all this money on a wedding video. We've never watched it. And on stuff, Shin just aired the phone and it's almost So I'm kind of like, it's how we capture our life anyway if we law her.
Yeah.
So Dana Chickeel.
Okay, Dana Chickeel. But look, once you skip a few, we'll forget about the weddings. Hernashkely in Londain, West End. Okay, so is West End a must for you for a good weekend in Londain?
Oh, not most. I think if it's your first time coming to London, or if it's like something.
But it's very spenny. I'd be saying you'd be very spenny. Unless you're really into that, I wouldn't be too pushed about it.
Yeah, it's good to ask Dulga show Aiken, but it doesn't have to be West End. I'd say you've loads of choice in London.
Oh my god, so much choice. And kind of music now. Ríomhphost again, campus and museums and sort.
Love the Londons. I've been at the museum.
It's gorgeous.
Love the Tate. I probably haven't been to them in a long time. I feel like, who are scholar in Trust Scholar Machine, you'd kind of be brought to them. I don't know if I've brought myself in a while. I find, unfortunately, any time I've been in London, Ladany, I've been nipping over to do something and then nipping back. So I must have hammered my horse or a reach. But it's kind of, would you believe the weekend before COVID lockdown happened, okay? Misha Agus, my girlfriend Marion came to London on it was her 22nd birthday, okay? So the two of us were like, fuck it, we'll go on a little weekend away. I don't know where the other girls are, probably not in Ireland. And we had fucking an unbelievable weekend charity shopping in the expensive, like the Chelsea's, Portobello's, like Mayfair.
That's our plan tomorrow. We hope to do that tomorrow.
Oh my god, and it's green them like and stuff. Oh my god, we still have them. We got like the bargains, August. So Shane Chéad and Ruddy is Fairlam Dana is to go to like a bougie neighbourhood in a fancy city.
And it's also mad, like they're hinting in the bougie neighbourhoods, Howland saw that they're so much bougier than the bougie neighbourhoods of Vallet. Like it's just a different level of like wealth. Yeah, it's mad. It is mad.
Yeah.
Okay, we've had to have a slight rejig and so because Tasha ho fucking teha London that the camera overheated. And
do you know what I think is flex more age? You know when you're like at the pool in Spain and you're using your phone, it's like you can't use your own anymore because it's too hot.
I know.
So that just happened to the camera.
That happened to the camera. Yeah.
That is like fair and green. It's going
to be 30 degrees more.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no, this is crazy.
Do you know what my plan, what I want us to do tomorrow, right? And they're in,
Yes.
of the people, Níl Lachan, I am trying to make her get on board with this idea.
Okay.
I want us to try to sneak into Soho House because they have a rooftop pool.
Yeah.
And get ourselves 2 little cheap bikinis and sit on the rooftop of Soho House drinking cocktails and dipping into the pool all day.
I would do that. Now I did tell you I'd like to buy a pair of shoes, but I could buy the shoes online.
We'll get the shoes.
Well, yeah,
we'll do
sure.
them early now.
I can buy a pair of shoes, Arlene. Yeah,
We can
okay,
smash
no,
them on the
let's
pool
try,
and
yeah, well, let's
yeah.
try to do that. Okay, well
Yeah.
then let's try to do that.
So watch the space.
Watch this space by Keaton Instagrams. If you don't, then you know it never happened. But that's what. Okay, I want to know what your ideal girls' weekend is. So
Right. Okay. So on. Okay. Right.
ideal girls' weekend in Londain.
In London. Okay.
Well, I'll tell you mine first.
Yeah.
Okay, so the last time I was in London, Cara Lum, Hugh Corcoran owns a really vibey restaurant. It's an 18-seater in King's Cross called the Yellow Bittern. Okay, so 10 Tuishtach, and you can't, I think my kind to me on our show and Organa, but you can't order, like, see into Anne, and he, like, says to you, okay, this is the first course, second course, third course, these are the wines, and you just surrender to the restaurant, and that'll be a fucking dochreta. So go in there. Then actually afterwards chuma go Shoreditch agus the bhfuil me le Kieran Gaffney from Shanachie, and I was really drunk by the time we met him, and then we went for dinner, and I just spent the whole day eating. So then I went for a second dinner.
Yeah.
I went for a second dinner, and we had gorgeous, like, lovely crab and fish and 2 bottles of orange wine. Oh Jesus, who's here?
Oh.
That's
Great.
manifesting.
Wasn't
Oh my God,
it?
that is
So,
sad.
was that just in a VH temple a trolley?
To do the rounds, yeah.
I love that. Okay.
No, bhí sé sin really good ass. Okay.
Anna, so we there in Vitora. Okay, so Rod thought
So
the
there.
bitch and on the whole luther.
I'm calling there. No, but then the
That
great
sounds now
thing
you're
about
like a
London
glamed dinner coin. That's a bit fucking. You're a lot of jumping there
is-
now.
a lot of jumping out. No, but you know the best thing is
Yeah.
the line bikes. The fucking line bikes are the job, because you're scooting around
Yeah.
and you're making great mileage, really topic. You feel like go to din of outdoor activity. That's just sayre. And it's just fucking, there's something really sexy about, like, scooting and booting around on a bike in London. Now, you know I'm in my cycling area. You know it's proud of my cycle.
Yeah, I was being Mission Borha on the bikes, really.
Okay. We can't be doing it in the heels now, no.
Since you came out of the DG car womb.
I know. And then here to that, then we went to the Barbican, which is a great venue. We went to go see James Kay. You know James Kay.
So sorry, you've had your dream weekend. So you're
This is what I'm telling you about it. And then you need to, when to London, guys, get yourself to Dishoom. Get the breakfast in Dishoom. Louise can't have Indian food, so we can't go to Dishoom. But Éanor Gamil May London, Dishoom is my first port of call. I'm obsessed. I have the cookbook. It's very, very good.
right. No, I took a full jargon. It was that Darren's ideal girls' weekend in London features no girls.
No. The ideal part about it would be if you came with me. But I was by myself that time. And I thought it was great because my howlish
When she was hopping around from fella to fella.
From fella to
on
fella.
a line bike. Well,
All
I
these
mean,
fucking gay men.
there you go. Okay, my dream girls' weekend would be, okay, if we were to get to London, I would like to leave at a reasonable hour. None of these red-eye crazy morning flights.
Yeah, we
did
had
it
really
well.
good. We had a really good
Armagh.
Hey, now the plug, yeah.
Former Aer Lingus flight Terminal 2. We should just get at bougie agus boozy. But it was just like Ray Cushach, you know, written in it.
100%.
We came in, we had a poached egg in Dublin Airport to kick us
Yeah,
off. Agus we shouldn't actually go that.
Yeah.
So,
And actually, do you know what? If we just go to the cost of living, 2 poached eggs now, sourdough, avocado, 30 quid.
yeah.
Oh, that's standard in it.
Yeah.
Like, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
You know, usually airport prices are horrendous. Now, by the way, still extortionate money. But
Still extortionate. But no, we should go that. And then I would say I would like to land over to London around lunchtime.
Okay.
Hop on the tube. It's the handiest thing to do, to be fair. Get into the city. And then, throw the bags down somewhere nice and central and go for drinks. Like, nothing makes, I love when you have a good gang going. So right, and you're giddy from the airport and say you all land on, and that first sip of the drink and you're like full of the joys of it, and you just know you have the full weekend ahead of you. So I would say, if it was my ideal dreamy girls weekend, loads of good food, loads of nice drinks, a little bit of shopping and activities. I'm not mad though on having activities in general.
Agree.
I rather just
boozing around,
hanging.
eating and boozing.
Yeah.
Eating and boozing.
Eating and boozing. Going to nice, like, outdoor places.
Yeah,
I
maybe
don't
a
know.
museum in the morning.
Where are the different places you could drink? A drink on a bridge, a drink on a boat,
yeah.
a drink on a... Do you know, I guess like thall...
I love that though.
Yeah.
Or a little takeaway bottle of wine and sit outside the
In a
park,
park.
and like up on Primrose Hill or something and just fucking chill out there.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, and then it would have to be a creek new night taken to Gael. Like, I think,
Yeah.
I love... I haven't done it in a while now on a girls trip, but I love, like, I went on a family trip, if that's close enough. Well, all my family are girls, bar my father and the husbands-in-laws. And we went to Vienna, right? And we ended up nightclubbing. Like, we ended up on these nights out. And actually, do you know what? I love to experience the nightlife in a new city if you've never been. And see, like, what their clubs are like or what their music's like. And hear, like, a fucking, you know...
Ciao, bella, ciao, bella,
What are
ciao,
they?
ciao.
Yeah. What? So it was great. So we ended up at this, like, you know, mad DJ place in Vienna one of the nights. And I was like, that's the crack. Like,
Actually, you want to be sussing out the competition. See what all the European DJs
listen,
are.
Darren may be in her bike era. I'm in my DJ era. We can report back on this when all has been revealed.
Okay.
But I'm now making mixes. So if,
Now making mixes, lads. It's
Okay.
fucking. I tell you wouldn't hear the like of it in
Making mixes.
in what's the name of the nightclub in Carlow?
Foundry?
Yeah,
Was that Waterford?
No,
That's probably Waterford.
Oh, maybe. No, I think
The
it's Carlow.
Foundry.
Anyway,
Yeah.
so there you go. That's.
She's a
I mean,
DJ.
have we told you really how to have the ideal girls' weekend in Londain? Yeah, we have, because the secret sauce is mooch around and have some cocktails and wine and enjoy the sunshine. That's if it's a sunny time. We'll come back with the winter edition at a later date.
Yeah. But defo, Janie, Shannon, like, talks her up this
Book
whole
that
talking.
Ryanair flight. Lads, I want to know, am I going to talk London for the kneecap gig? That's a good question. Me Mehev. We'll all be scooting and booting around now.
I don't know though, actually, if a lot of people are going to come over for that because they're playing all together now, headlining. And this is the other five with Thall, Gumfrey, Lower, Costas, Nettlety.
Cousin. Big Pig, Madra Salok, the
Yeah.
Gurriers, like Mary Wallopers and Kneecap. Sorry, now they are like all the people. Oh, the only thing you're missing there is Sea Mountain Fontaines, and then that's it. Like,
And
that's it.
Christy Moore. Like, am I the only person in
No,
Ireland?
no, I'm talking
That's
about,
so exciting
no,
though for him. Yeah.
No, I'm not. This is the lineup for the gig in Crystal Palace.
I know. You're saying the only one who's missing though is
and Christy Moore. Sorry,
I'm like,
and Christy Moore. Well,
and
yeah, we
Christy
have
Moore.
him all together now.
lads, I can't wait for Christy Moore all together now.
I know.
Sorry, I'm gonna be if he
how's
doesn't
it
do
go?
the contender,
I know.
he won't. Like, I'm trying to imagine like what it's going to be like to be éagsúil Vilor Slua, like there's 60,000 people. Are we all going to be fucking like?
Oh, absolutely.
Listen, Varda will work.
Right
But I'm
on.
like, what about
Well, do you know, to my sula fálamach. Because ben míad na ag all together now agus tá you know, ruddy le fogart an sun galua.
Sinead. Okay, right. Well, we should say as well, we did have show bio in the Irish Embassy in Ucht. I think we've already said that, but anyway, we put a recording ar fall and you can watch it back. Hopefully, we've heard the room is very bougie, so good ass. Agus, yup, agus seachtaine seachtaine.
Okay, yup is 30 degrees in London tomorrow. Can't fucking wait.
Agus heat waves valach o ma.
Yeah, I'm sure, ma.
Yeah. Agus seachtaine seachtaine.
The extortionate price of poached eggs and avocado, to be fair. You must be like, how much is 2 eggs and a bit of avocado and a slice of rye sourdough? On Clear Fodtrass and myself and Louise have just been talking about the different budgetings that we're doing and trying to fucking save a few bob here, there, and ever. Like, that's a pain in the hole. It's a very negative Yacht na Seachtaine, but look.
Well, we're all feeling it. It's fucking tough. And then Gluish na Seachtaine.
Gluish na Seachtaine is Londain.
Sira na Galini.
Spashdorach, so it's kind of like Arsing Chimple.
Can they reach on fucking cocktails? Isn't it like
Manglum?
Manglum.
Yeah,
Manglum. Agus, Sinead.
Okay. Slán.